So this is gonna be a process. 1, this is gonna be a hunt. 2, I'm gonna recycle everything that I can. 3, I need to figure out a way to dispose of the slime in the most safe way possible. I'm gonna show you the ugly and the ugly. I think there's actual poop in here. This is full slime. I don't even know what the heck this is supposed to be. I just know it's slime. I found these in my bathroom. Oh my god.
More
What?
slime.
More slime?
Slime.
There was more slime?
It's a lot.
You gotta go. Bye. Don't forget guys, my Craft City product is now at Walmart with mystery slime packs and craft kits. So head to Walmart and snatch your slime. I can't wait to see all of your creations. Make sure to tag me on Instagram at Craft City Life and at Karina Garcia. Okay guys, it is the next day. I have all my slime here nice and propped up for me. I have some trash cans behind me. I don't know if you guys can see, but I have a recycling bin behind me. And this is actually gonna be for the containers. It's gonna be a process that we're gonna go through to dispose of this slime. But the very first thing I can think of to do right now is we gotta get all the slime out of the containers and basically make one giant smoothie like I would normally do with smoothie slimes. Except I'm not gonna mix it, we're gonna dissolve it later on, but you'll see that in a bit. And recycle the containers. Oh my god. I didn't even know I hoarded this much slime, honestly. You gotta go. Bye. So we have this container right now full of vinegar and lemon juice. What we're doing is we're emptying everything and then recycling the containers. For the phloem slimes, we're concerned about the phloem. We don't want to put that in here. So what we're doing is with the phloem ones, we're rinsing the containers so that all the phloem could come out into that, and then putting the containers into here. That way we don't risk getting any foam in here. Some places do recycle foam, but for now we gotta empty the containers, and whatever foam we can get out, we're gonna go ahead and rinse it and make sure they come out before we throw these in here. Oh my gosh, this took us so long. I feel like this was years ago. A lot of you guys were actually commenting in part 1. You guys were concerned that I still have my Christmas decorations up. This was filmed about a month ago. I try to pre-film my videos, nobody cares, but yeah, and also like it took so freaking long. The vinegar and lemon juice bath was a really good addition to this process. I really wanted to separate the foam beads and all the add-ins from the actual slime. And in order to do that, I basically had to melt down the slime completely. And I've said it before, but lemon juice works wonders. So the vinegar and lemon juice together like literally just melted everything into soup. This bin is almost full of containers and we're not even halfway there. I had to wash my hands because it was going all the way down my arms, and it's so messy. It's way messier than I expected, and it's taking a lot longer than we thought too. So I got my sister, her friend, and my little brother. They're gonna help me. I literally went in there and forced them to come out to help me. Having some extra help definitely sped things up. My little sister and her friend were actually here, and I was like, you know what, y'all are about to work for me today. I'm pretty sure I bought them pizza. Yeah, I did. I bought them pizza, huh? And my little brother David, instead of helping, he was mostly just playing with the slime instead of emptying it. The kids helped out as much as they could. Right now we are down to the very last container, but it's the biggest container, and as you can see, it's nighttime already. We got the lights out and everything. I didn't think that we would be out here till nighttime. I knew it was gonna take a while, but dang, like it's kind of cold out here, and we're almost there. We have 3 containers going right now. We have this one, we have this one back here that is just completely full to the top, and we have another one over here. So there is a lot of containers right now. This is insane. So we're gonna go ahead and finish all of this, and the next clip I see you, everything will be in here. So see you in a bit. Oh my gosh, we just finished right now. First of all, my nose is numb. I don't know if you guys can see my breath. What? We're in California and it's freezing. Out of all days, today had to be freaking cold, and we're still not fully done yet because we're gonna let everything rise and we're gonna figure out how to dispose of this. I didn't think we would go on to a 3rd day, but we got all the slime in the containers, and I'm so happy that it's finally done because it took all freaking day. I'm ready to eat. This one's full of containers, nothing but containers. We gotta empty this trash can.
These are containers.
These things are huge too. They hold like 20 gallons. Let me just show you guys how melted these slimes are and how old they are. It looks pretty from the top, right? But then you just move everything. This is all the stuff that rose to the top. You move everything, and it's just like soup under it. Oh my gosh, this is so nasty. This is literally the most cringiest video I have ever filmed. I don't think I have ever said this, but after this, I don't want to see slime in a bit. It's just too much sliminess going on. It's a mess. Day 3 of trying to get rid of the slime. This day was super short. Yes, another day. Oh my gosh. I cannot even count how many days we took to do this. But this day in particular was not long. All we did was remove the foam and clay that rose to the top. Yes, even the clay, like I'm telling you, this completely dissolved everything and just made everything separate. And we actually ended up mixing more of that vinegar and lemon juice into the leftover slimy liquid because we wanted to let it sit one more day to really separate everything.
Ooh, there you go. That's a good piece.
Here you can see how the slime is dissolving as it gets less and less stringy and more liquidy. Woo. This was disgusting, by the way. It was freaking disgusting because vinegar is so strong, it smells so bad. So you can tell this was actually day 4 of this process. We actually let the slimy liquid sit for a few days with a bunch of vinegar and lemon juice in it. Y'all, we bought so much lemon juice and so much vinegar for this. So letting it sit for days in just a freaking pool of lemon juice and vinegar is what really separated everything and basically turned the slime into legit water. Like it just completely dissolved it. Although this took forever, the most important part of this process was to separate the liquid from the add-ins so that we could take the liquid to the proper facility. You can see that the liquid, which still has paint, finally ready to be put in buckets and be disposed. One down! Oh my Lanta, I can't hold this roll. Stop. Thank God that's done with 10 buckets of liquid. Just freaking liquid. We finally put all the liquid into the containers. Not even sure if to call it slime. The lemon juice and the vinegar worked wonders. If I can turn all that slime into freaking water, basically, you can definitely use it to get it out of your carpet or whatever you ruined with slime. Parents, if you're watching, trust me, it works wonders. I'm actually so glad that I did this. It took a while. Now it's not all over the place. Now we don't have slime molding in random corners. And we did dissolve all the slime to the best of our ability. And now we're gonna take that to a liquid waste treatment facility. And you can actually find these in your city. You just have to do a little bit of research because there is paint, etc. in the liquid. So they're gonna dispose of it the right way. We broke down the slime as much as we could. We removed what we could. We removed the tiny plastics. Those are the ones that are not recyclable. Same thing with the foam. So we took all that out. We broke it down as much as we could, and I think that's what took so long. But I'm glad that we did that instead of just like throwing it in the freaking landfill, because that is terrible. I know not everybody's gonna dispose of their slime this way, or not everybody's gonna go through all this process. Not everybody has that much slime. But as long as this video helps you in any way to have that in your mind when you're disposing of your slime, and maybe taking just one extra step, even just to recycle the containers, there's no perfect way to 100% dispose of slime. And that happens with a lot of consumer products. That happens with a lot of things that we have in our household. But as long as you're conscious about it, and as long as by seeing this, maybe you'll take that extra 1 or 2 steps to make it that much better, then it's gonna make you feel better and it's gonna be better for the environment. I'm not telling you you have to do this, but I'm just giving you the insight on what that process might look like and just putting that in your conscious so that next time you throw your slime away, you can think about it. And I mean, I know not everyone's gonna do it, but if you did, that would make me feel so happy. If I could just help you just a tiny bit just with your slime, like just, I mean, I know this is such a long process and all, but if you could just be conscious about it, and next time you're throwing away slime, maybe you'll think about making that extra step, then I've done my job. It definitely took days. It was a really long video to film, not gonna lie, guys. I know this was you know, this was a few days. Not gonna lie, this took over a week to complete. And I feel good about it. I feel good that we took all those extra steps. Because if I would have just went and dumped that, like, I would have felt terrible. So I'm kind of glad we did that. Even if it took forever. On a lighter note, I hope you guys have a great day. Hashtag reduce, reuse, recycle. I'm not gonna lie, when I found all this slime in my closets, I was cringing because that slime is old. A lot of it's rotten and I'm just letting it sit there. Like, what's the point of having it, you know? And I know a lot of people are gonna be like, hey, you could have gave that slime away, but like, a lot of it was bad. Like that slime, there was no savior, you know? We contacted some environmental scientists that helped us come up with a process of doing this, of disposing of the slime. So if you guys have any tips, or if you guys know a scientist, if you're a scientist watching, comment down below your tips. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.